students, now you are going to learn about line segment and ray. Okay students, yes, line. A line has no endpoints. For this is called a line. For the line has no endpoint. So that means both sides you have to extend. No endpoints both the sides. Okay. So we have to use arrow mark. Both this arrow mark denotes no end. Okay, this is a line. Next, the second diagram is a line segment. Line segment has endpoints. Yes, it is a starting point. It has an endpoint. A is starting point, B is endpoint. Okay, students. Yes, then ray. This is called ray. Ray, it has starting point and no endpoint. Okay, so the fixed endpoint of ray is called the starting point. For this is a starting point for no endpoint. Yes, this is called a ray. Ray, one side we have to use arrow mark. Line both the sides we have to use arrow mark. Line segment, no arrow mark. Yes, this is a line segment. For it is starting point, it is end point. We can measure the length of the line segment. For line, we not able to measure the length of the line. We not able to identify. Okay, for it is easy to, for line segment, we can measure the length of the line segment. This is called ray. For these two are line L1, L2. It is line number 1, line number 2. For these two are parallel. For these two are parallel lines. What is this name? Parallel lines. So that is line that go on forever on either side without meeting each other. Without meeting each other is called parallel lines. Example, railway track. Okay students, yes, that is distance between these two lines have a constant. Constant means you know, yes, for here to here, for it is starting to still end, we get the same measurement. Between length we get same. Okay, this is parallel lines. Next, this is called intersecting line. Okay, L1 and L2 intersecting. For this is called that intersecting point. This is called intersecting point. These two are L1 and L2 intersecting lines. Both the lines meeting at this point. This is called a intersecting point. Students, the line can be long or short. Yes, the line may be long or short. It is a line segment. For each line is a different. Yes, it may be in a proper direction, for like this direction or this or this. For any way you have to draw, we have to consider this as a line. Okay, for this is curve. For this is not a line. For it is a curve. It is curve. This is not a line. Listen students, one important note. Line AB is denoted by AB. You have to use one line. Okay, for it both side you have to use arrow mark. It is how you read this. Line AB. For it is line segment AB. This is ray AB. For this symbol is denote parallel lines. For this is perpendicular lines. It is intersecting lines. Okay, how you read this? Line AB. It is line segment AB, ray AB, parallel lines, perpendicular lines. It is intersecting lines. Listen students, exercise 4.1. Fill in the blanks. A line through two endpoints A and B is denoted by two endpoints. For which one have two endpoints? So that is line AB. Okay. Yes, a line segment from a point B to a point A is denoted by. For a line segment from a point B to A. Yes. For line segment, you know how you denote the line segment? Yes. Don't use arrow mark. For line segment, no arrow mark. Next, a ray has dash endpoints. So, how many endpoints? Ray has how many endpoints? One endpoint. Okay. For it is important one word question. A line through two endpoints A and B is denoted by line segment AB. Line AB. A line segment from the point B to a point A is denoted by BA. Line segment BA. A ray has one endpoint. The second question. How many line segments are there in the given line? Name them. Okay, for one line segment is given. Yes, this line segment name we have to find. Yes, so that is, there are how many line segments are there? That is, how many line segments are there in the given line? Name them. How many line segments are there for here to here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for here to here. Then here to here. Here to here. Yes, so like this, first you have to name the line segments PA, AB, BC, CQ. Next, that is CQ. Next, you start with P, PB, PC, PQ. Next, you start with A. AB already written, you know. Yes, that is AC, AQ. Next, PQ already written. Totally, you how many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is line segment means, you know, for here to starting point and end point, here to here. For it is one line segment. Another line segment. This is another line segment. It is next line segment. Next you have to consider these 2 points for here to here. Here to here. Okay. Next here to here. Here to here. Next AC. Okay students. Yes, already AC here. Next AQ. PQ already. We counted PQ already, it is counted. Yes, totally 10 is there. So there are 10 line segments. Next question number 3. Measure the following line segments. How to measure this? Students, how to measure this? We have to use scale. What is the name? Another name for scale? Ruler. Okay, ruler means that is a scale. Students, we have to measure with the help of scale. Okay, for scale it is a starting point 0. For here to 1, 2, 3. In between 0 and 1 we have 10 subdivisions, so 10 small lines. Okay, it is a millimeter. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a 10th line. Okay, yes. Now we have to measure this first line. How you have to measure? That is, or keep your scale like this. Yes, for this is the starting point 0. For now you have to measure how much is there. It is 2.4. Exactly you have to measure. Measure with the help of scale. Okay, that is 2.4 centimeter. For 0, this 0 coincide with this starting point. Then you have to measure. Okay students? Yes. Next you have to measure this. Starting point is here 0. So that is how much? Yes. AB is how much? For what you get, you have to measure. For I am getting here 2.3. Okay, for this length is 2.3. So 2 is here, then 1, 2, 3. Small lines, 3 small lines. Okay, for that is, for listen, for it is 0. Then 2 after how many small lines, students? 1, 2, 3. For it is up to this. Okay, so that is 2.1, 2.3, sorry 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Okay, yes. Next, this measurement. You have to measure this. Okay, yes, exactly you have to measure and write. For the given measurements are wrongly mentioned, you have to measure the given diagram and write here. Okay, the measurements are given wrongly. So you have to measure and write. Okay, students? Yes? Students, after measuring, you have to write the measures. Okay, write the values. That is, for this one measurement 2.3 centimeter, this also 2.3. For this is 3 centimeter, this is 2.3 centimeter. You have to write it correctly. Students, now fifth question. From the given figure, identify the parallel lines, intersecting lines, name the point of intersection. Students, you have to observe this picture. Parallel lines, you know, like a railway track. Yes, what are the parallel lines? The name CD, AB. It is EF, GH. Okay, what are the parallel lines? These two are parallel. So, ray, that is it is not a ray, it is line. Yes, or it is, you have to use both side arrow mark. Both sides you have to use arrow mark. Line CD and AB parallel, and EF and these two are parallel. For like this, these two are parallel, EF and GH. Okay, parallel means, you know, like this or like this, like a railway track. Yes, then intersecting lines. So what are the intersecting lines? For it is CD and EF. Okay, CD and EF intersect at the point P. Next, CD and GH. Intersecting point is Q and S, here P and R. Next, AB and EF. AB and EF. AB and GH. Okay, students. Next, to point of intersection. Point of intersection, what are they? Two lines meeting point. Yes, point of intersection, it is P, Q, R, S. For it is, for these two lines intersecting point. Next, these two lines intersecting points for here. This AB intersect with EF, AB intersect with GH. Totally, the point of intersections P, Q, R and S are the point of intersection.